Good morning, guys. Very early, I dropped my wife in the hospital, guys, 5 o'clock. And then I'm making exercise because yesterday I feel bad. Last night I going to the massage. And this time I have a job today, guys, because I'm fishing too. Yesterday, my wife said I clean the fish for the making like dry, yeah, dry fish. Yeah, and put the outside for the sun for going dry that mamamaputi, guys. Pawede, guys, this is it. Shout out sa Umaristi and my darling Sacramento, California. Si Mark Lapago. Happy New Year, Christmas, Happy New Year, guys. Look at my catching today, guys. In yesterday, and I make a dry fish because my wife, she told me. Okay, this is it. I-continue ko lang to, guys. Yan na yun, guys, oh. Yan ang dry fish natin. Ang gawin natin yan, I may clean up that one. It's a big job for me now today, guys. Okay, at least mayroon tayong project today for making dry fish. This is my wife. I don't know, because I heard he bring to the state for Jade. This is my son. He can eat also the dry fish. I think like 2 days for put it outside for this one, guys. But it continues. You can see it, this one. So lang, guys, i-continue natin to habang nagkiskis ako ng isda. Right, let's go, guys. Continue natin, guys. Ito na, guys, oh. Mas malaki pa sa cellphone natin yung maputi natin, guys. Kaya kiskisan na natin to. Bali 12 piraso to, guys. Ayan, oh. Ay. Kaya may trabaho tayong, guys. Kisisan, guys. Kaya ito na. Hirap pa naman itong, guys, ang trabaho natin, guys. Tapos i-ano pa ito, tanggalan ng, guys, sa isang asang. Tapos i-slice natin. Kunin natin isang pang ano natin, guys. Ay. Ano pa yan? Yung dati kong pangkiskis natin, guys, oh. Ganda, sana kung makita yung ano, yan, oh, pangiskis natin, oh. Mag-dry tayo ng ano, guys, kasi ipadala doon ito sa sa Amerika. Kaya ayan, guys, oh, already cleaned up. Tapos ang style nito, guys, slicing ko dito banda. Ang slice yan dito pa open, only take out the skin inside. Take out the skin and the inside the stomach. Continuous natin ito, guys, ha? Kasi ang bilis ng oras, guys. Ang bilis ng oras, naka 3 minutes tayo. Maganda din maka 10 minutes tayo guys. At least makita nyo naman ang trabaho ko dito sa Saipan guys. Kahapon ay trying fishing guys. Yun lang. Gusto be today I go fishing my spot. But my wife, he give me the job today. See? Tignan natin guys. Good size guys ha. This is the one I don't like guys. This job I do like, but before in 1983 in Manila ayong selling fish guys in Alabang, but Alabang and then going to Nabutas buy the fish. But I wake up early, like 4 o'clock, come back to the what do you call this one, the Palengke of Alabang in 1983 guys. Yeah. This maybe this is a good business also guys. Taka 6 minutes agad tayo guys. Cut off muna natin. Tapos after this one, ipakita ko sa inyo guys after finish this one, and then after that the slice. At least you can see it how to make dry fish guys. Okay, continuous natin guys. Last 7 minutes agad tayo eh. Yes sir. Okay guys, continuous natin guys. This is it guys. This is making first water and a little bit salt, and then make like a whole day night time, and in the morning you make dry in the sun, and then do this guys, very dry, and it's good to eat this one. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and shout out to Omar and Mr. Bindi California guys. And Merry Christmas. Please like guys, please like. I'm very happy when you can like my video guys. And I love you mama in the sea, and I love you guys and mama in the land. And this is, at least mayroon tayong activity sa araw nito guys. And Merry Christmas. And almost New Year naman guys. At least may activities tayo sa araw na ito. Mayroon tayong project sa ating mamamaputi ito guys. Right, Miming? What are you doing to me, Miming? You should look may cut guys. So, wala na. Pag-asa guys. I need a grandson but cut inside the house. Okay. Until tomorrow guys. At least mayroon tayong activities ngayon. Okay, thank you for watching guys. I love guys. God bless po.